Here is how we can turn off the fingerprint on the iPad. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So, of course, your iPad needs to support Touch ID because we also have the face unlocking on most iPads, but some iPads also have the Touch ID for fingerprints. But if you have that one, just go to your settings app and find on the left panel here the Touch ID and passcode section. You have to type in the code to get inside this settings menu. And if you have the fingerprint set up, you can see for which purposes or features it can be used. So for example, I might still want to keep it for unlocking the iPad, but if I don't want to use it for Apple Pay or downloading apps, perhaps filling up the passwords, I can turn off these individual features, meaning that it's still gonna let me download apps from App Store, but I'm not gonna use Face ID, or Touch ID for it. So that is the point. You can turn it off either for specific situations or features in here, or you can turn it off fully, right? Because you have the ability to just stop that, just completely disable it as such, and you will only be using the passcode to unlock the iPad. Or another way would be to tap on your existing fingerprints, and you can see that we have the ability to click on delete the red button, and it's gonna move it away, meaning that if you have only one stored, then if you delete it, then of course you turn off the fingerprint or Touch ID on your iPad. So I hope it helps if it's your first time on Foxtecc, and if you have more questions, leave them below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this, and I'll catch you later.